Hello guys, it's Kelvin. Hope you are doing fine. Here's a new video on poultry farming. But unfortunately, I think it's the last video on poultry farming because we've decided to sell the birds. Not because they are ex-layers, no, but because kuna moja inatoka pale. Because the time we feed them and the time we are working hazipelekani. So to some point nika tunazitesa. So tumedecide kuziuza. Ndio at least concentrate na hiyo job ingine ya kusupply feeds za wanyama. So guys, Reen is not around. She's at work on the other side. So mimi ndo nimeamua kama kuzifeed. As I finish the poultry videos. So guys, as you can see on this other side, some cages have no birds. So we have sold some already. So this side is the only one remaining with birds. Na zinakujiwa leo jioni. So guys, not that we have given up on poultry farming, nope. It's because as you've been seeing in so much of our videos, many of our videos, we've been with Reen all through, feeding the birds. So hatunanga mfanyikazi wa hii upande. So kazi imekuwa mob hapa hii side na hiyo side ingine. So tumedecide kufinish hii side ndo to put all our concentrations on the other side. So guys, tutakuwa pamoja. In any other question about poultry farming, usiogope kuuliza, tutawasaidia. Already tuko na experience ya poultry farming. So guys, poultry farming tutafikiria kuihusu from next year. From next year ndo tutaweka poultry farming again. Let's wait for Reen to ring. If she doesn't come here today, maybe tomorrow aongee side yake.
Hi guys, how are you doing? Hope you're doing well. Karibu sana to the Kev Reen family. So guys, Kev alikuwa ameintroduce video yesterday, but ndo maana nimeona introduction ni different na venye leo amevaa. So alikuwa ameintroduce video akasema unfortunately we have bad news. I don't know if I can say ni bad news ama ni nini. I feel like pia kwangu inanisumbua kidogo, but I have to kuzoea. So guys, as you can see, our cages are empty. We decided to dispose our birds. As you can tumefika age ya kudisposiwa. But I don't know if I'll say due to unavoidable circumstances ama nitasema nini. So we have already sold 100 birds tumeziuza, tumebaki na only 100 and hopefully zinakuwa cleared today. So guys, I'm very sorry guys to break this news to you. When you walikuwa wamenizoea kwa poultry farm, I'll try and bring another content wa make, bado you stay tuned. So unaona ile side yote hakuna bird. Okay, niko na kungojea tuambie what is the reason why we are breaking madogo kwa 5 liters. Yes, tuambie why we decided to dispose our birds. Sawa. So can you tell them?
One. Our time is very limited. Yes. Kwa kuku.
Yes.
2, you can't serve 2 masters at the same time.
Yes.
But tuko pale job and still the birds want to be fed, to be given water ama to be watered. So guys, tumeamua tuzisell. That's why you can see these cages have no birds. Kulikuwa na wenye walikuwa hapo wenye tulikuwa tunatunza vizuri. Wenye hawatagi. Umeelezea pia side nyingine wenye wako.
So I think unasema point to point, but let me explain deeper. As you know guys, we also run a company, animal feed company. So it happened that God a little bless and our company ika expand kidogo, sindio? So now we are distributing feeds outside Nairobi most of the times. Then sisi uko na trust issues sometimes with our with our employees. So what we saw ni lazima mtu mmoja, any of us, aende nje sales zikifanywa, si ndio? So let's say Kev ameenda, mimi ndo nimebaki pale kwa store kwenye production inafanywa. So unapata ni ngumu, unapata sometimes hata hizo kuku zinachelewa ku be fed. Actually hata watu wa TikTok mmeona, I used to go live at 11 AM. I don't go live because you nilikuwa naenda live saa hii iko occupied, iko very occupied, and that's why tumekam to conclusion ya let's dispose those birds. Alafu unaona pia kuna hii season yenye imekam birds whereby birds are not azitagma hii vizuri, na pia inataga prices zimedrop. Prices zimedrop pia. So nikaona hata nikiandika msee mwingine kwa farm akuja afanye job kwa farm, nitakuwa naenda hasara. This doesn't mean that we are not going to continue with poultry farming. We actually working to kuna slot lingwe September, but what to decide if your slot inaingia majengia, si ndio? So tunazingiza slot bado, and also penye tulikuwa tumeweka kuku zetu, it was not our place. Ilikuwa kwa a family friend, si ndio? So also tukaona hapana, let's kwanza kujipea a break. Acha ijipe a break kwanza kidogo tu, someone is calling. Acha tujipe break kidogo, tukijipanga September tuanze place nyingine ama December. So we will be back to poultry farming, if not this year, early next year. So atujamaliza ni venye tu tumeona hata kila mtu poultry farmer sasa hii anaona venye kuko, si ndio? Then bado tunataka concentrate na ile job ingine. So sit YouTube channel inaisha, sit TikTok bado inaisha, ndo tuko. So we are going to invent a new content, si ndio? Yes, na I'm sure mtanesika, sawa? So anything you have to say?
We'll go back to our old content.
Yes, some old content. Though sajaribu tu, you don't worry guys, something lazima tulete kitu yenye itawabamba na kitu yenye itawafanya. Mbona ungali kamera? Kitu yenye itawafanya kuku. Na pia kitu yenye itawafanya mkue tuned kwa the Kev Reen family. Otherwise, thank you so much guys for subscribing to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support. We love you. We'll start a clip by the kuku zikienda hizo mwisho. Ya kwanza Mia, I don't know if I did a nice video, but tujaribu. So, we love you. But then I'm perfected. I was so connected to this bird by the way, but I don't have otherwise rather than letting it go. So sasa tunataka kurishuffle, like tuzilete side moja na tusipe fit ya leo tumoja, the next buyer will come in to pick them.
Sugar.